Hello and welcome back to Clear Talk Studio, my friend. I'm really happy you're here today. Today's lesson is very important because we are focusing on real-life English speaking, not textbook English, not difficult grammar, but English you can use in your daily life. Think about this. You don't learn English just to understand videos. You learn English to use it. In shops, while traveling with friends, at work. In this lesson, I will be your guide, speaking partner, and coach. We will practice together, slowly and confidently. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to Clear Talk Studio, turn on the bell icon, and share this lesson with anyone who wants to speak English confidently. Now take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Chapter 1. English Speaking in Real Life, the Right Mindset. Many learners say, I know English, but I can't speak. Why does this happen? Because real-life speaking feels fast, scary, and unpredictable. Your brain thinks, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh? What if I forget words? Here is the truth, my friend. Real-life English does not need perfection. It needs clarity and confidence. People don't care about small mistakes. They care if they understand you. Repeat after me. Confidence mindset. Say these sentences out loud. I don't need perfect English. I need clear and confident English. I can speak English in real life. Every time I speak, I improve. Excellent, you've already started. Chapter 2. English speaking at a shop. Let's start with a very common situation. Shopping. You buy food, you buy clothes, you buy daily items. You don't need long sentences, you need simple, clear phrases. Useful shop phrases. Repeat after me. How much is this? I'm just looking, thank you. Do you have this in another size? Can I pay by card? That's too expensive. I'll take it. Say them slowly. Say them clearly. Good job. Dialogue 1. At a clothing shop, I will be person A. Shop assistant. You will be person B. Customer. A. Hello, can I help you? B. Yes, I'm looking for a shirt. A. What size do you need? B. Medium, please. A. Here you are. B. Thank you. How much is this? A. It's $20. B. Okay, I'll take it. Now switch roles. You be person A, I'll be person B. Practice again. Mini speaking task. Pause the video and say 3 sentences. What do you want to buy? What size or color? How much is it? Example. I want to buy shoes. I need size 42. How much are they? Perfect. Chapter 3. English speaking while traveling. Now, let's talk about travel English. Travel English is not fancy. It is clear, polite, and practical. You use it at airports, in hotels, on buses or trains, while asking for help. Travel phrases. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the restroom? I have a reservation. How do I get to the hotel? What time is the bus/train? Thank you very much. Say them with confidence. Dialogue 2. At a hotel A. Receptionist. Hello, how can I help you? B. You. Hello, I have a reservation. A. May I see your passport, please? B. Here you are. A. Your room is on the second floor. B. Thank you very much. Now repeat the dialogue line by line, then practice both roles. Dialogue 3. Asking for directions. A. Excuse me, can you help me? B. Sure. Where do you want to go? A. I want to go to the bus station. B. Go straight and turn right. A. Thank you. B. You're welcome. Great job. Confidence reminder. Repeat after me. I can travel using English. Simple English is enough. I speak clearly and calmly. Chapter 4. English speaking with friends. Now let's practice friendly, natural English. Speaking with friends is not formal. It is relaxed and simple. Friendly phrases. Repeat after me. How's it going? Long time no see. What's new? That sounds great. I'm happy to hear that. Let's catch up soon. Good. Dialogue 4. Meeting a friend. A. Hey, long time no see. B. Yeah, it's been a while. How are you? A. I'm good. What about you? B. I'm doing well. I've been busy with work. A. Same here. Let's meet again soon. B. Sure, I'd like that. Now practice again. Smile while speaking. Relax. Mini speaking practice. Pause the video and talk about your friend. When you last met, what you talked about. No grammar stress. Just speak. Chapter 5. English. Speaking at work. Workplace English scares many learners, but most work English is polite and simple. Workplace phrases. Repeat after me. Good morning. How can I help you? I have a question. Can you explain this, please? I'll get back to you. Thank you for your help. Excellent. Dialogue 5. At the office. A. Good morning. B. Good morning. How are you? A. I'm fine, thank you. B. Can you help me with this report? A. Sure, I'll check it and let you know. B. Thank you very much. Practice slowly. Confidence first.
Dialogue 6. Asking for clarification by A. Sorry, can you repeat that, please? B. Of course. A. Thank you. That helps a lot. B. No problem. Very good. Chapter 6. Handling mistakes in real life. Mistakes will happen, and that is okay. Native speakers make mistakes too. The key is how you react. Helpful phrases for mistakes. Repeat after me. Sorry, I made a mistake. Let me try again. What does that mean? How do you say this in English? These phrases save you in real life. Mini role play. Making a mistake. A. I want 2 breads. B. You mean 2 pieces of bread? A. Yes, thank you. See? Mistake to correction to confidence. Chapter 7. Daily real-life speaking habit. If you want real-life English, do this daily. Speak to yourself in English. Describe what you see. Talk about what you are doing. Record your voice for 1 minute. Daily speaking practice. Repeat after me. I am making tea. I'm checking my phone. I'm going to work. I'm practicing English. Simple, powerful. Chapter 8, Real Life Speaking Challenge. Here is your weekly challenge this week. Speak English in one shop. Ask one question while traveling, or outside speak English with one friend or colleague. Even short sentences are enough. Final confidence affirmations. Repeat after me, slowly and strongly. I can speak English in real life. I'm not afraid of mistakes. People understand me. My English improves every day. My voice matters. Final closing motivation. My friend, you don't need perfect English to live in English. You need practice, courage, and confidence. Every shop conversation, every travel question, every friendly chat, every workplace sentence, they all make you stronger. Thank you for practicing with Clear Talk Studio. I'm proud of you for showing up and speaking. This is not the end. This is just the beginning of your real-life English journey. Until next time, keep talking, keep believing, and keep shining with your English. Goodbye for now.